Hello friends, welcome to AQBIS YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll talk about a very interesting news. Recently, food emergency has been declared in Sri Lanka. So we'll try to analyze the factors behind this food emergency. So what is happening in Sri Lanka is that food inflation is rising, forex reserves are drying up, and the Sri Lankan rupee is depreciating in Sri Lanka. So why is it happening? First, you must know that Sri Lanka depends heavily on tourism industry. Okay, so tourism industry plays a massive role in the economy of Sri Lanka. It accounts for 10% of GDP. Now, what has happened is that this industry has been hit hard by the pandemic. So, inflow of forex reserves has stopped. Okay, so this pandemic has impacted considerably this tourism industry in Sri Lanka. Second, what has happened is that now the food inflation is rising. So, why is it happening? So you have to understand that Sri Lanka imports even basic food supplies. They are dependent upon the imports for the food, for the basic supplies. Now, since they are running out of forex reserves, then they are using its own currency. They are using the currency to buy the foreign exchange. So as a result, currency is depreciating. It is depreciating, and as a result, the inflation, food inflation, is breaking the record. It is rising up. Third factor, recently Sri Lanka government, they banned the import of chemical fertilizers. So they urged the people to adopt organic approach, and because of this move, the productivity has gone down. It has declined considerably. Okay, so all these factors are responsible for food emergency in Sri Lanka. So we can learn some lessons from this food emergency in Sri Lanka, and we can wait and watch the measures they will be taking in order to tackle with this current situation in Sri Lanka. Okay, so all these factors you must know, and I have provided the notes regarding this news, so you can download these notes. And if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos, and you can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. So that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next session soon. Bye bye.